and Enrico Thata, Team Elster Jet, with their Sukhoi Su-30s. And they've come all the way from Germany, so come on, let's do a big round of applause for them as they take to the sky.
Vielen Dank.
Here they go.
Oh, hello. That's amazing.
They're pretty damn big, you know.
Keep an eye on these aircraft. You need to watch this.
Absolutely, Martin. Hey, whatever you do, guys, do not take your eyes off these two aircraft.
So basically, the cross tubes at the back, we can mix those in with the other control surfaces. So they can direct the thrust as it comes out the back of the aircraft. It's still got normal moving surfaces, ailerons, elevators, other bodies. It's just added thrust section. Very effective.
All mixed in together.
Exactly.
But extremely light wing loading at 19 kilos. They're extremely light for the size they are. I do believe they're calf SUs. Calf models is here. All the way from Germany. You can go down and say hello to them and see the aircraft that they've got down by the Asa Aerosports tent. You keep going down and their big wagons there.
Smoke on. That really has a big heart. Look at that.
Isn't that lovely? I'm getting all emotional. Where's the arrow?
Come on, Cupid.
And if you take a walk down to Calf, it's right down on the right hand side, and you'll see some amazing models down there. And also there's a B-2 stealth bomber, and hopefully we'll be seeing that just a little bit later. I'm looking forward to that. But just look at these guys with the smoke on.
That's amazing.
I think we'll call that the washing machine.
Oh, it's fabulous.
Calf standing for Composite Almost Ready to Fly. German company, but with an English acronym. We like that.
Come all the way from Germany in their big motorhome.
They come every year, don't they? They really do support this show.
And they do.
He's got stuck, he's not moving that one.
Now they call that a glitch in the, what is it, space-time continuum.
He shouldn't know how to do that, but he did. That was nice.
So time froze for him for a few seconds.
I do like an orange plane, I really do.
We call it oddinge. Oddinge. See one of them with his air brake out, so the others can catch up. They're using the air brakes all the time to try and stay together. This slippery aeroplane.
Beautiful profile as well, isn't it? The turbine sort of underneath at the back and the cockpit all above at the front. Doesn't be much holding them up together in the middle.
Stunning looking aircraft. The full size is actually a long-range fighter attack, ground attack aircraft, multi-role fighter they call it. It's been around for a long time.
Just spotted Steve Bishop. Welcome back, Steve.
Oi, Steve.
Organiser of the show. Well, gentlemen.
Well, we have two failures on the Funfighter slot. Martin Chaplin and Lewis Chaplin. Your aircraft cannot fly. So you want to go and see Mark Albury? He'll explain why.
Hopefully that's something that we can sorted before this slot. We may have some time. Maybe we need metal crevices added or something like that, I'm not sure. But Mark will talk us through.
Watch this. Look at this. Hovering.
Well, I certainly hope you got some photographs of that or video. That was something special. And coming round again one more time. Let's see.
Ralph and Enrico really put on a nice display. It's well rehearsed. I'm telling you now, this is not an easy thing to do.
A slow climb whilst the other one spirals up, scribing a big spring in the sky as he goes up. Very good.
I've literally got my mouth open watching this. It's incredible.
Harrier descent now, I think this is called. So it's just about stalling, just about flying.
The capabilities of these aircraft are much more than the full size. Although the full size can do things like cobras and flips and everything else, they're not capable of holding. The gear's out. Look at this.
Yep.
Good. It normally indicates they're running out of fuel.
So that was their gear pass, was it? Carrying down from 400 foot.
Yeah, I think we called that the stationary pass.
Stationary pass. Did the fun fighters invent that?
Yeah, I remember that.
Well, we've got so many amazing aircraft coming up for you this weekend. Don't forget, we've got full-size aircraft as well. We'll tell you more about that later. But coming in right now to land, we have Enrico Spatta. Let's hear a big round of applause.
Very, very nice. Well done.
And also, hey, we need you again. Let's hear it for Ralph Weston.
And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date on all the latest videos. And if YouTube isn't just enough, follow the link tree in my profile to find and follow all my other social media platforms. Thanks and bye for now.